Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow or don't allow camera permissions for application on your Android device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first go to your home screen and from home screen open up your settings. Once you are on settings, scroll down until you find apps. And then tap on three dots and select Permission Manager. There select Camera, and now on that screen you see all the camera permissions. There is section allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, and also ask every time and not allowed. To change the settings for the specific application, just open up that application like WhatsApp, and there you can change allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. So if you tap don't allow, you disallow for WhatsApp business access to the camera. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.